Hey guys, you made it this far. Great. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying my transformation journey and all the information I'm giving you that has worked for me, and it will work for you. But in this video, we're talking about taking progress pictures, weighing yourself daily, and taking your waist measurements. Now, these are very crucial because this is what's going to show you the progress, because in the beginning, you won't see yourself changing as much, but the figures, the numbers, and the weight that is going down, that will encourage you. Even when you feel like things aren't happening, you know you're on the right track because you've sorted your calorie deficit out and you're seeing the weight go down. So things are happening, changes are happening. Now, normally after 3 months, 2-3 months, then you start to see the changes. So stick with it and constantly weigh yourself every day at the same time. So I would get up 6 in the morning. First thing I do before even brushing my teeth, with my underwear on. To be honest, I take my underwear off. I weigh myself just naked, just to get a true weight. And then I'd just weigh myself and then I'd write it down. We have a journey planner that the company gives us where you can write down the weight, but use a notepad or use a spreadsheet, whatever. Just write down every day and be honest to yourself. Don't try and reweigh and everything. Just really be honest with yourself and just weigh yourself every day accurately. And what you want to do once a week, you want to take pictures. So every Mondays, same time, 6 in the morning, we would have a check-in day. We have to check in with our PT every Monday. So if you got someone I talked about the accountability, if you got someone you can hold accountable every day, every Monday or whatever day you want to choose, just make sure it's the same day every week that you can send a picture to, or send it to someone close to you. So if you get feedback off them, they can tell you if you're losing weight as well, because when you're doing it yourself, you don't see as much until later on. So take pictures on the same day. And when you do on the same day, take pictures, just take a waist umbilical measurement on your waist and jot that down as well. You won't see that change until 3 months, but keep doing that. Some people might be different, they lose fat from their waist first. Mine, it took the last bits of the transformation for that to go, but around 3 months you will start seeing that change as well, the waist. So that's what you want to do. You just want to measure every day, weigh yourself every day, take pictures, and waist measurement. That's all you need to do. Measuring every day is fine. Waist measurement and pictures is once a week. So pick any day, but make sure it's the same time, first thing in the morning. Take pictures, and you need to have those photos, because then you can see yourself like you see it in the photos I've showed. You can up here on the right, left, right, you'll see them. You can see the changes. And when you see those changes, and when you see the clothes fit better, after 3 months, you might try some clothes that didn't fit before. Oh, it's such a great feeling, because you're achieving something and you're on the right path and you're just carrying on with that calorie deficit, right, guys? So, don't be disheartened, like I'm always saying in all the videos. Keep at it and just keep moving through the process. If the deficit is working, you're on the right track, and take those pictures, weigh yourself every day, keep reminding yourself, yeah? And that's creating habits, you see? You're doing that every day, those little increments. So you could say for this, you could say before brushing my teeth, I will weigh. And then it's just adding to that, right? And then on Mondays or whatever day you want to do, he goes, before I brush my teeth, I'll weigh myself, then I'll take pictures, and then I'll take my waist measurement. So how can you remember that? Well, what I used to do is I used to put the scale near my door, and I used to put the waist measurement tape next to it as well. Or I used to just put it all in the bathroom on a scale on the weighing day, on Monday. So I would always remember it like that, like Monday, once a day, because I knew that was my check-in day. I knew, okay, I need my photo, my phone camera, and the measuring tape. So find little cues like that will help you remember to take it on that day. And after about a month, it's automatic. You'll know every Monday that go take a photo, and it will just be like second nature. That habit will be in you. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.